2022 Ford Super Duty updated with different styling packages and new tech to come. Ford is back with another update for its heavy-duty truck for 2022, though this time, it's a series of modest changes that focus on adding a bit more tech alongside some new styling choices. One of the most significant changes is inside with the availability of the optional 12-inch infotainment touchscreen, though Ford adds more than just extra screen real estate. The automaker also gives the larger display its latest infotainment tech, Sync 4. Ford introduced the tech in late 2019, touting it as having twice the computing power as the Sync 3 system, though it also provided Ford the opportunity to feature different layouts and capabilities depending on the model. Sync 4 also gives the 2022 Super Duty wireless Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, eliminating the need to connect a device via USB. Ford will offer the upgraded infotainment display, which will sit above a bank of physical controls for commonly used vehicle functions, on Lariat models and above. Sync voice control with the 4.2-inch screen remains standard on the XL, with Sync 3 an available upgrade. The XLT trim truck gets the 8-inch screen paired with Sync 3 as standard equipment. New for 2022 is the Lariat Sport Appearance Package. It adds several body color elements, bumpers, grille, and exterior mirrors, alongside a chrome exhaust tip and black platform running boards. Ford is also expanding the availability of its black appearance package to the XLT, which gives the truck black badges, 20-inch ebony black wheels, body color front and rear bumpers, and body color grille bars. New for the 2022 Super Duty is the Baja interior for the Lariat, the navy pier and light slate interiors for the Limited, and a new Atlas blue exterior color. The 2022 Ford F-Series Super Duty trucks will be on sale this summer. Ford declined to comment on when they'll receive a refresh with the new Pro Power onboard generators available on the 2021 F-150. Ford's 7.3-liter V8 continues into 2020, making 430 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque alongside the 6.7-liter Power-Stroke diesel that delivers 475 horsepower and 1,050 pound-feet of torque. The updated truck arrives this summer, including the Lariat Sport Appearance Package. However, the Black Appearance Package won't reach XLT trucks until this fall.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Subscribe to Auto TV.